Recently, someone commented on my video of my unboxing of my Delta miter saw and said, yeah, but their dust collection sucks. And I said, you've never used a miter saw before? I've used a Milwaukee miter saw, a Delta miter saw, DeWalt, I've used a Boss Stitch, 2 different kinds of miter saws from Harbor Freight. I've even used the Festool miter saw. All of the miter saws that I've ever used, their dust collection is horrendous. Today, I think I have figured out the solution to the dust collection issue on the Delta Cruzer. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What dust collection problem could I be talking about? Maybe that one, or maybe this one? This thing sucks. Alright, so let me put you on for a second and listen. You cannot tell your friends about this. We don't want this honey hole to be overfished, alright? I got this Rigid Pro Pack for 25 bucks. This is normally a $150 tool and I got it for 25 bucks. Let me show you where. If you go to shopgoodwill.com, you go to categories, I'm sure you can't see any of this. You scroll down to tools, you go to all tools, or you can go to power tools specifically. Looky there, Black & Decker, Wagner, Makita, Craftsman. They have a bunch of vintage stuff and new age stuff. Chicago nippers, saws, Black & Decker, brand new in the box Cobalt leaf blower for 70 bucks. There are 7 bids on it and there's an hour and 20 minutes left. There's a ton of really nice tools on here. You know, since you guys are my subscribers, I had to put you on. And if you didn't know this tip and you're not a subscriber, you owe me a subscribe now, so don't leave this channel without subscribing, because that's rude. Alright, so you guys know all about my mullet. I love it. It is basically a particle separator. All of the big stuff that I cut off will be trapped in here, and all of the little stuff will be left in my rigid vac. So we're gonna go ahead and partner these two up. That fits perfectly in there. That goes right on there. I'm gonna build something for under here so it'll hold this bad boy up. Before I can go any further, we're gonna have to clean all the sawdust up. Look at you on the internet just watching a man clean his shop. You guys make fun of your wives for watching videos just like this. People cleaning bedrooms or bathrooms or cars. Don't let her catch you watching this video. Alright, focus, focus, focus. Check out this separator taking all of the large mass and dropping it inside of the mullet. The reason the mullet is so useful is because everything drops here in this unit instead of clogging up your actual shop vac. So you have 2 different stashes of sawdust. One is fine sawdust and one is the heavy stuff that you can frequently empty. None of that clogging up your filter, none of that clogging up your shop vac. Everybody knows how difficult it is to empty a shop vac. It is super easy to empty this. It's cleaner, it's more efficient, and it's cheaper. Alright, so we've got the Pro Pack attached to the mullet, attached to the Cruzer. We're not done yet. We're going to make a really big change to the actual saw. The number one complaint that most people make about miter saws, and my miter saw specifically, is that the tunnel that the dust is supposed to travel through is not large enough or just doesn't get the job done. So this print is going to change that. I've been looking for a fix for the dust collection for a while now, and I found this 3D printed design. Shop Nation designed this 3D print. He sells the print if you have your own printer, and he sells the actual piece if you don't have one. Sometimes companies don't get it exactly right, and you have to finagle it yourself. Initially, I was going to print it in black, but look at that color match. That is beautiful. All that was left to do was to add the flexible flap and to test this baby out. It's important to know that no matter what happens here, guys, miter saw's dust collection is a little wonky. If you really think about the miter saw, it's actually a pretty weird tool. You turn on a motor that spins a blade and it explodes wood right in front of your face. So let's test it out and see. This I would consider a pretty good success. Every miter cut from now on is going to have that vacuum turned on so that all that dust can get out of my face. Before there was an explosion of dust, it clouded the room, the whole miter saw was clouded. Now I get a little bit of dust left on the table. That's fine, I can sweep that up. The links to all the products I use will be in the description down below. The mullet, the rigid pro pack, and where you can find this 3D print will all be linked down there so you know how to do this for yourself. If you guys have any other ideas for dust collection that I missed out on, leave them in the comment section down below. Maybe they will help somebody else in their journey to saving their lungs.